Hey everyone, welcome to Back the Channel Auto Update today. We're diving into the 2025 Nissan Elgrand luxury minivan. King is the latest iteration of a vehicle that's become synonymous with sophistication and comfort in the minivan segment. Designed for families who want to travel in style or anyone who enjoys a luxurious ride, this new model brings a fresh blend of modern technology, refined design, and incredible performance. Let's dive into what makes this minivan truly exceptional. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Elgrand is bold, elegant, and sleek. It features a redesigned front grille with a sharper, more aggressive look, paired with striking LED headlights that give it a premium feel. The large, sculpted body lines and a perfectly proportioned silhouette make it stand out on the road. The chrome accents add a touch of refinement, while the aerodynamic design ensures better efficiency and stability. The 18-inch alloy wheels complement the overall look, making the Elgrand both sophisticated and commanding. Inside, the 2025 Elgrand continues to impress. The cabin is spacious and crafted with high-quality materials, offering a refined atmosphere for both driver and passengers. The luxurious leather seats come in a variety of finishes, offering not only comfort but also style. The dashboard features a dual-tone design, while the infotainment system is modern, intuitive, and easily accessible. You'll find a large touchscreen paired with a premium sound system, making your road trips a pleasure. The rear seats are incredibly versatile, with options for reclining and even swiveling, ensuring maximum comfort for passengers. Whether you're in the front or the back, the Elgrand provides an incredible amount of space, making it perfect for long journeys. When it comes to comfort, the 2025 Elgrand truly excels. The suspension system has been tuned to deliver a smooth, quiet ride, absorbing bumps with ease. The cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds, and the ample legroom and headroom throughout ensure everyone stays comfortable on those long family trips. Additionally, the climate control system allows for separate temperature zones for each row, ensuring every passenger stays at the perfect temperature. If you're traveling with kids or older passengers, the rear seat entertainment system is a welcome feature that will keep them occupied during longer drives. Performance-wise, the 2025 Elgrand is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers smooth acceleration and ample power for both city driving and highway cruising. The engine is paired with a CVT transmission, providing seamless gear changes for a more relaxed driving experience. Whether you're navigating through traffic or cruising on the open road, the Elgrand offers a refined driving experience. The steering is light, and the driving dynamics are surprisingly agile for a vehicle of its size, giving you confidence behind the wheel. The advanced driver assistance features, including lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control, further elevate the driving experience, making long-distance journeys less tiring and more enjoyable. In conclusion, the 2025 Nissan Elgrand luxury minivan King is the epitome of modern luxury for families or anyone who appreciates an upscale driving experience. From its striking exterior and plush interior to its smooth performance and comfort, the Elgrand stands out as one of the most refined minivans on the market today. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or just looking for a comfortable, stylish way to travel with your loved ones, the Elgrand provides everything you need for a luxurious journey.